Unlock the latches of the wooden crate and lift the top cover to access the machine. Open the upper cover. Remove the yellow buckle that secures the ink cart. The two front screws of the machine. Position the tray and securely tighten the screws. And install the bracket to support the film roll. Attach the support rod and end caps. Make sure the film roll is properly aligned. To prevent print misalignment or overflow, place the film through pinch roller. You can open the side panel for easier installation. Connect the power cable and USB data cable. Start the machine power supply. After starting the main power supply, wait for 3 minutes to complete the self-test action. Conduct a test on the 39-inch film paper to check if it is installed smoothly. Pay attention to check. If not, it means it is not installed in the correct position. If the film paper is not installed smoothly, it may scrape against the printhead.